And we're off into the first corner. No leg stand yet. Oh, there's a little tub in the back between fourth and fifth. Alright. Jason Levy out front, Tim Harris in the second. Jason in the third. Oh, coming together back here, fourth and fifth. Heads up in 1 and 2. 1 and 2, heads up. It's clear. Alright, Jason Levy out front, Tim Harris in second, Jason Control third, Ralph in fourth. Remember, if you come to the infield, you get to go around the pipes. 30, 40 seconds in, 3:20 to go, race 29 and 30. Well, we got one guy out already. What a break! Looks like Jason Cantrell is out. Our leader, Jason Levy, out in front. Pick him up across the line. Alright, who's back here? Probably doing a little card number back there, trying to get guys. 1 down, 3 to go. Our leader, Jason Levy, followed by Tim Harris. Closest race in the track between third and fourth, Anthony and Ralph. This Jason out front, followed by Tim, watch 3 and 4. Sharp just got out of waiting time. Alright, our leader, the red truck, down front straightaway. Second place is Tim, right behind him, but a lap down. So right now, Jason's with a lap cushion. We saw that from the last race. He had a lap, rolled it on his lid, and then he had a race for it. What's next? Sport modified. 2 minutes drivers, 2 down, 2 to go. We got Jason out front, followed by Tim, Ralph, Anthony, and Sharp. Jason Cantrell pulling out early. Oh, Sharp going off-roading. Yes, Jason and Tim, we're right now. Jason still the lap up on the field. Got a little bit of cushion to play. The all red truck got in front straightaway right now. The number's a little bit too small for me to see. That's like an 86. He's all over the back of Tim, which is their second place car. Probably haven't got another lap on you. I think there's a hamburger that's fake or something. Oh, Tim gets a little sideways. Jason says, okay, I'll go on. With 54 seconds to go, driver. Race 30 coming up. Last race of the night. In a 4-minute open track for a sprint modified. Hey Joe, we just want to make you work a little bit. 30 seconds to go is Jason, Tim, Ralph. Nobody's close right now with each other. Well, Ralph and Anthony are on the same lap. About 3 seconds, 2 seconds apart though. 22 seconds to go. Your leader can do the back track, but okay, I'll go around the hard way. 15 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. That's Jason, Tim, Ralph. Jason from the get-go. Alright, as you come across, everybody keep coming. And for Ralph, we are done taking that race. Jason, 56.403, followed by Tim, Ralph, Anthony, and Sharp. Tim and Ralph were on the same lap at the last second there, but 3 seconds apart.